Hey YouTube, it's story time. I'm back with a quick story time about my post-cruise trip after I got off the Carnival Victory. I spent one day in South Beach, Miami, and stay tuned for that story. So real quick, so we got off the cruise ship. We got to the port around 7 a.m. and then we took a taxi cab. It was probably maybe a 10-minute taxi ride, between 5 and 10 minutes. So we ended up staying at the Dream Hotel in South Beach, Miami. I highly, highly, highly recommend this hotel if you want to go book it. Okay, so 3 reasons I recommend the Dream Hotel in South Beach, Miami. Number 1, customer service was excellent. When we got to the hotel, there was somebody waiting for us. They took our bags up to our room. Check-in was quick. There wasn't really a lot of people there. We were there during the winter time in November, so it wasn't really crowded. We got up to the room. The room was beautiful. It was very nicely decorated, very chic, very modern. Okay, another reason I highly recommend it, they had a rooftop bar area, which was really, really nice. It was private. You had to have key card access, and it included a pool, a cabana area. There were flat screen TVs up there. They had seating if you wanted to lay out in the sun. They also had like small little tables that you could eat at. And it was all included in the price of the hotel. The only thing they charged extra for were like drinks. So if you want to get like a bottle of water or like a Mai Tai or margarita, they would just charge it to your room. I mean, it's a little bit more pricey, but it was well worth it. The Dream Hotel in South Beach is also in walking distance to the beach area. So when we got a chance to leave the hotel that evening, we walked up and down the strip. The beach area was, wasn't really crowded. We were there at night. I couldn't really see how clean it was, but where we were by the resorts, it was pretty kept up, really nice. And I noticed that at my hotel, they did not charge for a chair, towel, or umbrella. But if you go to the beach area, they will charge you if you're not a guest at one of the hotels on the strip. Our hotel was also directly next to the Versace mansion, and I had no clue about that until it was other guests up there trying to invade our little space we were sitting in, and they said, well, we want to just take pictures of the Versace mansion. So immediately we started wondering about the Versace mansion, and we went down there and walked around. They turned the Versace mansion into like a hotel area, not a hotel, I mean a restaurant area. So it's a huge restaurant area. We didn't go in there, but I do have pictures of the front and like the menu. It was really, really nice, and it's right on the strip, right across from the beach. So if you're ever at the Dream Hotel, you will be in walking distance of everything. It's really worth the price. It's a little more upscale hotel. It's like a 4 or 5 star hotel, but it's worth the price if you're just getting off a cruise and you just want to kick back and relax. I highly recommend the Dream Hotel in South Beach, Miami. Okay, so I forgot to add, Miami is home to a lot of wealthy people because when we were walking up and down the strip, we saw like the palm trees with the Christmas lights on them, and you know, the upscale restaurants. But I also saw like a lot of Lamborghinis, so I'm not sure who they belong to, but apparently, you know, the wealthy people hang out in South Beach, Miami. Also, when I was at the rooftop, I could have swore we were up there with like some NFL players or rappers. I didn't know who they were because I don't keep up with sports or rap. But they had to be somebody because they had an entourage with them. And they look like they may have been somebody, I'm not sure. But you'll likely see some celebrities or some athletes in South Beach, Miami. So if you're ever in the Miami Beach area, I highly recommend the Dream Hotel in South Beach, Miami. If you want to book it, you can try my link below. If you want to become a travel agent and just book your own trip or your friends and family trip, there's also a link down in the description box below. So thank you for watching this quick video about my review of the Dream Hotel in South Beach, Miami after I got off my cruise. Have a great day.